morning. It's 5:48 the next day, and I'm coming back to get this nuke that we left in the tree for the straggler bees that were out and about. So I've got to climb up there and close the entrance, take the bungee cords off, and take these girls home. So here they are right up here, and this shouldn't take too long. Well, that worked good. Got them in the truck. Time to head back home. Well, I'm back at the house, and it's time to sit these girls down in front of their new home so they can join the rest of them that we got yesterday. We'll see how many were out and about when we took the comb out of the tree. Wow. Quite a few, actually. But they can join the rest now. Well, time to get some more frames and foundations together to complete that hive body. So that's what I'm up to right now. Getting some wax foundations installed. Any of you that do this, the lady that teaches me the most about my bees talked about getting rid of this nail strip that holds the foundation in place, and use a staple gun with that strip there. It gives hive beetles a place to get in and hide, and using the staples to staple the little wires right to the frame works very good. When I take them out to replace them, I use a 5M1 tool, use the point to pop the staple up, and then just a pair of needle nose pliers to get the staples out. Anyhow, it works really good. Look at that.